Everybody, happy Saturday. Hope everybody having a great weekend. Start to their weekend. This is a little Sprouts pickup I went and did. So I got some. I love these carrots. In case y'all haven't seen, when y'all look at a lot of my pictures, these heirloom baby peeled mixed carrots right here. I love these, and they are not high in carbs. As you can see, 7 carbs. And that's for this whole bag. 3 fibers. So if you're going off of net carbs, it's like 4 net carbs. And again, it's going off the whole bag. And I do eat the whole bag. I got me some onions. I got me some mozzarella. I never had buffalo mozzarella, so this would be interesting. I found the bread, so I'm going to start back making you know, the mozzarella toast or whatever. You'll see when I do avocado toast with mozzarella. So as you can see, pretty to the point. And for people who have lactose allergies, this is for you as well. So it's grass fed. I got 2 cucumbers. I got some salad. I'm gonna try this bread. Hopefully it's good. And then I got some pork rinds, which I love this brand. And then I got my Eternity water. They sell these in the big bottle at Sprouts. This sprouted power bread. I found out about this from Bobby Parrish. And so they're keto paleo household. So yes, it is carbs in here, but I'm not strict keto. The ingredients are pretty good. Organic sprouted whole wheat barley, water, vital wheat, gluten. It might be a cane sugar, but it's very low. It's only 1 gram. So that's not a big deal. Cultured wheat flour, yeast, and sea salt. They do have another one. I can't remember the name of it. That is keto, low carbs. I think it was like 8 carbs, and then the fiber, maybe like 1 net. But I wanted to try this first because Bobby says he uses this for his little girl, and I'm pretty sure they eat it too. So he says whenever you get any type of bread, you want to make sure it's sprouted. It don't have a lot of junk in it. And then I got my oil for down below. I also got a package from Equipo. And I want to say all of this was $46.34. Where's $46? I don't know. But anywho, I got my order from Equip. Black Friday, they was running, I want to say from Black Friday. They may still be doing it. I'm not sure, but they was running a huge sale for every item that you get a certain percentage off. So I think it started at 1 item 20%, 2 items 30, 3 items 40, or something like that. 5+ items you get 50% off. So I made sure I got at least 5 items. I like this collagen. I did stock up on the Perfect Keto as well when they was doing a deal. I think it was like 30 or 40% off. And so I got 4 of the Perfect Keto collagens. This one is a higher protein, although it doesn't have a full protein profile, but you also get more as well. And they had ran out of this for a minute, so that's why I had to switch over to Perfect Keto. So I got 2 of these collagens right here. I'm finally trying their protein powder. It's very expensive, and I should have went back in and got some more, but I wanted to taste it first before I got it because I did switch over to Sun Warrior pea protein, and that stuff is just not good unless I have to add a banana to it. I bought the natural one because it didn't have natural flavor, and the natural one, the flavored ones had the natural flavors in it. So I hear people talking about this protein all the time. I think the regular price is like $49 or something like that, which is very expensive. So being that they was having that big sale, 50% off, this would have been the perfect time to try this protein. And if it's really worth, I think it's either $49 or $59 for this. So as you can see, the ingredients are pretty clean. Grass-fed beef protein, cocoa powder, and stevia. What is the protein on here? It's only 2 carbs, 1 fiber, so it's like 1, you know, net carb. I'm looking for the protein. It's a protein powder, but, oh, 21 grams of protein. So it is high in protein, so I got that. And then I stocked up on my apple cider vinegar tablets. And so I only take 1 a day, so each bottle, it lasts me 2 months for the most part. So I have these for 6 months, so until they run another big sale, then I'll keep stocking up. So that is my Equip order right here. So I'll see you later. Peace. Okay, I'm back. So I don't fast for very long on the weekends. And I wanted to taste this to see how it tastes. This is the Equip Prime Protein and chocolate. I got it's grass-fed beef isolate powder. 1 scoop will give you 4.5 ounces of grass-fed beef. So this is a great product to break your fast with. It's gluten, dairy, whey, soy, hormones, antibiotic, fillers, artificial sweeteners, and preservatives free. Only thing it has in it is beef isolate, cocoa powder, and stevia. It does have a very strong stevia taste, which I do not like the taste of stevia. I felt like they probably should have used the monk fruit or something like that. I don't know. But I would say it is good. I did add a banana to mine. But probably when I'm breaking my fast, I'll maybe add like some monk fruit to it or coconut sugar opposed to a banana. Because again, I don't like the taste of stevia. And this is a strong stevia taste. But it's a good protein powder. $59 good? I don't know. I will always try to get this on a sale. Hopefully they'll be running some type of sale throughout the month on their stuff. But here's the ingredients. That's all that's in it. Again, this is a good supplement to break it fast, or maybe before you know, meal replacement. It has a full protein profile if it's beef, grass-fed beef. So yeah, the chocolate tastes good. It's a thumbs up for me. Here's my smoothie. All I use in my smoothies is water and ice, and if I choose to put some fruit, that's it. I don't use any almond milks or anything. I also put in here some ground flaxseed and some ground chia in this as well. So that's that on the Prime Protein from Equip. Bye.